I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a spicy Korean chicken noodle stir-fry. If you like spicy, you're going to love this Asian stir-fry. Stay tuned. I'm starting by making the sauce. This is some homemade chicken broth, but you can use water or vegetable broth. This is the spicy, and it is called gojuchang pepper paste. You can find this at your Asian market, or I will leave a link below where you can purchase it online. They do make this in hot or extra hot. I am using 2 nice-sized tablespoons of the gojuchang, but you can adjust the spiciness to your liking. We need a little sweetness with the spicy, so I'm adding in some honey. Also adding in a little white pepper, sesame oil, and some cornstarch to help thicken the sauce, giving that a good mix and setting to the side. Here I have about a pound of boneless chicken thighs, and you can use chicken breasts. Adding in an egg white, a little soy sauce, a sprinkle of white pepper, and some cornstarch. Giving that a good toss and letting that set until I prep my vegetables and cook the noodles. I'm using udon noodles tonight for my stir-fry, but you can use any egg or rice noodle of your choice. I like the thickness and the texture of the udon noodles. Just cook the noodles according to the package instructions. So let's make this spicy Korean chicken stir-fry. First, I'm going to cook the chicken. I'm using my wok tonight, but you can use any pan for this stir-fry. I have my heat on high, adding in some oil and the chicken. Just letting it cook for about 15 seconds before stirring so it gets a good browning and does not stick. Cook the chicken until it's done, which is going to take about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it to the side. I have my heat on medium-high to high, adding in some oil and the vegetables. You can use whatever vegetables that you like. I'm adding in some onions, bell peppers, minced garlic, and ginger. Giving that a stir for a couple minutes, and it's smelling good already. I love the taste of cabbage with the spicy gochujang sauce. This looks like a lot of cabbage, but it will cook down quite a bit. I also found a red bell pepper in the refrigerator that I'm using. Cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes, or until the cabbage cooks down. I still like a little crunch and texture in my vegetables. Now I'm adding in the chicken and the juices back into the wok and giving it a good stir. Pouring the sauce on top and stirring well. You will see the sauce start to thicken. Adding in the udon noodles and stirring until combined. And finally, tossing in some chopped green onions, stirring, and we are done. This spicy Korean chicken stir-fry is so good, spicy and flavorful. Great combo of spicy and sweet, and lots of flavor and texture with the udon noodles and vegetables. I hope you give this spicy Korean chicken stir-fry a try, and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!